But there are other opposition MPs who seem to have a different point of view. They actually want the parliament to function. Now, this is now coming in on part of Ram Gopal Yadav, on Samajwadi Party leader and MP, saying that the Prime Minister was not allowed to speak and saying that they are against stopping anyone from speaking. So, in a way, saying that the Prime Minister should have given his time to address the Lok Sabha on the motion of thanks to the President's address. And however, he says that on the women MPs who had come very near to the Treasury benches with placards and posters and attempting to ghair out the Prime Minister when he was about to give his address, he says that it was not right on their part.
बोलने न देने के खिलाफ बोलना चाहिए, संसद बोलने के लिए, डिस्कशन करने के लिए, डिबेट करने के लिए, क्वेश्चन करने के लिए।
लेकिन महिला सांसदों ने पीएम की कुर्सी को घेर लिया था विपक्ष के साथ।
अगर ये सही है तो ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए।
Thank you. Well, Pragya, again, as far as when it comes to certain leaders in the opposition are concerned, they may have a different point of view, saying that allow when it comes to the leaders having their respective time to speak, because that is the very notion of having a parliament and a democracy where people and leaders, including the Prime Minister, must be given their time to address the parliament.
Exactly, Amita. This is what Parliamentary Affairs Minister was saying, that Congress cannot hold other opposition party hostages. And in fact, if you had seen, Samajwadi Party is protesting in the House on a different matter. And in fact, TMC also is very reluctant to join hands with Congress on this particular matter, because they also have their own issues to raise in House, and they would want their own constituents to see that. In fact, this is also a sentiment in many of the MPs of the opposition as well, that there should be a debate. They would want a chance so that the people in their constituency will see what the issues that they are raising in front of the government, and it is their right also, and it is their duty also. So this is a general sentiment in various other opposition party members, apart from the Congress. But it looks like that the Congress being Congress, and it is India Gadbandhan at the end of the day, it looks like that all of them have to toe one line. But the sentiments of these MPs are truly different. You are absolutely right on that count. They would want debate to take place. They would want to take on government on their policies, and they would want to make government accountable on issues that they would want government to also, if there is something in the budget, they would want them to backtrack or to accuse government of something that the government has said and they don't agree to.
But Pragya, weren't these the same leaders who were also present during the opposition parliamentary strategy meeting that happened just before the parliament proceedings that began for the day? So some of them are asking and seeking that let the parliament function. However, others are of the opinion that if Lok Sabha leader of opposition is not allowed to speak, then they will not allow the Prime Minister also to give his address. This is how the BJP is now reacting.
समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता राम गोपाल यादव जी का कहना है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को जिस प्रकार से रोका गया बोलने से कल, जिस प्रकार का हुड़दंग मचाया, जिस प्रकार का एनार्किस्ट बिहेवियर कांग्रेस ने किया और कांग्रेस ने जिस प्रकार से पीएम की सीट को घेर दिया, वो गलत था और वो उससे इत्तेफाक नहीं रखते। वो समझते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट में पीएम को बोलने दिया जाना चाहिए था, बल्कि जयराम रमेश कहते हैं कि हम बोलने नहीं देंगे। तो आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ उनके अलाय पार्टनर्स भी नहीं खड़े हैं। इंडी अलायंस में मिशन नहीं है, केवल कंफ्यूजन और डिवीजन है। और कांग्रेस पार्टी के तानाशाही रवैये को आज उनके ही अलाय समाजवादी पार्टी ने एक्सपोज किया है। उन्होंने दिखा दिया है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इमरजेंसी मानसिकता से ग्रसित है। वो किसी को बोलने नहीं देना चाहती। वो स्पीकर का अपमान करती है। जो अनुसूचित जाति के समाज से आए हुए चेयर पर जब वो अध्यक्षता कर रहे थे तो उन पर कागज फेंकती है, स्पीकर को यार बोलती है, पार्लियामेंट्री रूल्स को किस प्रकार से हमेशा नुकसान पहुंचाती है।
So opposition divided over parliament proceedings. We'll be getting you the live updates and political reactions back after a short break.